Hey guys, it's Louisa. It is Thursday, June the 5th, and it's Thursday of non-farm payroll week. I took a couple trades this morning. The first one worked out, the second and third one, not so much. So I came back this afternoon hoping to find something that was a little more interesting. I did find a very nice breaker block with a trade off the first presented fair value gap from this morning. So with no further ado, let's get into the trade. Here is the 5 minute. I actually identified this trade on the 5 minute. Let's see, here's the 2 o'clock vertical line, but I entered the trade at about quarter to 2. So I identified this bearish breaker. So we have a high, low, higher high, lower low. Price comes back in. It comes right to this fair value gap, which is the first presented fair value gap from this morning. As ICT says, mark your first presented fair value gaps of the day and keep them on your chart for the week, because price will keep referring back. The algorithm will refer back to those areas, those levels. What I really liked, excuse me, was I really liked this level up here, this candle. This was the high for the morning session or early afternoon. Price dropped, but this here would have been a really nice entry point. This would have been a mitigation block entry, and this was at 12:20. Now I don't trade at those times. I wish I had seen it, but anyway, I caught the next level of distribution, which was here in the fair value gap. So we'll just make this a little bigger. You can see prices now moving down. It's 320. You know, maybe one day I'll stay in these trades a little longer and catch the third distribution. But for now, you know, let's go down to the 2 minutes so you get a better view. So here's our breaker, high, low, higher high, lower low. Here's our first fair value gap of the day. My entry was on this candle here, and then I exited down here in this 1 hour BISI. This is a 1 hour BISI. I like the higher time frames. I trade between the higher time frames. It just seems to work for me. All in all, this trade, I'll just show you proof of. So this would have been a nice level here to enter, 21,868. But anyway, I've got the second distribution here. So I entered at 21,760, and I exited down here at 21,633. So that was 127 points, and it was a 4.3. Let's see here. So I entered here, and then my stop loss was just above this candle, and then I exited down here. So here, it's not even, anyway, it was 4.330 when I took the screenshot. So anyway, it was almost 5 risk to reward. So it was a very nice trade coming in. I hope that eventually I'll be able to stay in these, you know, these pullbacks and then get the third distribution. But you know, I think it takes time and experience to be able to take those kinds of trades or have the confidence to remain in them. I did take a couple trades this morning. My first trade was very good. I think it was about 60 points, and then I had a couple just wasteful. I went long. I mean, my idea was right to go long, but I was getting wicked out by these big candles, so that didn't work out. So anyway, I was glad that I came back for the afternoon session, because you guys know I don't normally trade the afternoon session. Also in the non-farm payroll week, I tend to keep my trade shorter. I trade with a smaller position size just because of the volatility. So I'm looking forward to trading next week and kind of getting back to maybe some bigger position sizes and some longer trades. But please like, share, and subscribe this video if you get any value out of it, if you appreciate the updates each day, and if you'd like me to continue posting them. Also, please share if you saw this breaker block this afternoon, and if you are indeed adding your first fair value gaps of the day into your charts and holding them for the week. So, guys, have an awesome evening. I'll see you back tomorrow morning. I'm probably going to trade tomorrow morning, but the afternoon I'm taking my dog to the vet, so I won't be here. So anyway, peace out, guys. Have a wonderful evening. Bye for now.